Hi. I'm going to be doing "Love the Way You Lie" Ariana Grande version. So it's not like rapping or anything. Although I can rap very fast, actually, faster than Nicki Minaj can on her own song. Yeah. So here goes "Love the Way You Lie" Ariana Grande. Okay. On the first page of our story, the future seems so bright. Then the thing turned out so evil. Don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take back the new extremes, but you'll always be my hero. Even though you lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. I'll grab away. Our voices got distracted from the fight. In this tug of war, you'll always win, even when I'm right. Touch beneath tables from your hand, the violent words and empty threats, and it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just not stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Oh, oh, love the way you lie. So maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run. I don't wanna ever leave till walls are going up in front of all our memories. Just sit there and watch me burn. It's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just stand there and hear me cry. It's alright because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Oh, love the way you lie. Thank you.